Peace everyone, Unmask Art here, and today I am very excited to announce that my colored pencil portrait course is finally complete and now available on my website. The objective of the course is to teach you all of the techniques that I use when creating my own colored pencil portraits. I designed the course in a way that anyone is able to complete it. I supply you with the reference photo, easy traceable line art, and the exact pencil I use from beginning to end. I wanted to make the course as budget-friendly as possible, so I even optimized the supply list by narrowing down the color palette to only 25 pencils. So let's have a look at what we're going to do in the course. The course consists of about 6 hours of tutorials. Each tutorial is in real time, and I'll be explaining every step and technique in detail throughout. Alongside each tutorial, I will have a list of colors so you know exactly what pencils to use. I also have a current pencil in use tab at the top of each video, so you'll know every pencil I use at any given moment. I will be taking you through an 11-part video series in order for you to recreate this portrait here. Each video part focuses on a specific element of the portrait, making it incredibly easy to follow along. So before I go, I just want to say thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. You all have been wonderful, and I've really enjoyed seeing all of your creations and hanging out during the live streams. I couldn't have done this without you, so for that reason, anyone that is pledged or pledges by the end of August will receive a 50% discount on the course. For everyone else, you can find my color pencil portrait course on my website right now. All the links are in the description, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Peace.